Hello, everybody. Today I'll be walking you through our next fitness assignment due this coming Saturday, April 18th. This week's assignment is focused on physical wellness. So when you click in classwork, you will find the physical wellness document. So please open it up. There are 3 pages on this assignment. The first are directions. The second are photo options. And the third page are your journal entries that I will be discussing momentarily. So when you go to the top, the directions say choose 2 photo options, then answer 3 journal prompts below. On the second page here, read through all of the choices and choose 2 that are most interesting to you. Once you have decided on your 2 choices, delete the ones that you do not want. So if I were to choose the first one, take or find a picture of you eating a healthy meal or snack, and then I also chose take or find a picture of social distancing, I would then delete the middle so that I have the 2 options available. Once you have completed that step, you will need to upload your photo into this document. As you can see above, I have directions to do that, but I will also demonstrate it here. Assuming you have already taken a photo participating in the photo options, you must email that photo to your TCA email account. Once that's complete, go into your email inbox, and it will look something similar to this here. Click on the image. It brings it a little bit larger. You could do this 2 options. One being making the image larger and downloading it up here. Or in the smaller box, click the arrow that says download. Once the image downloads to the bottom here, you should click on it. Click on File in the drop-down menu, and then Save. Some of you will be able to save it directly to a downloads file or be able to download it to your desktop. Make sure that you can access it easily. So for me, what I did was download it to the desktop. Once you know where the photo has been downloaded to, go back into the document, scroll down to the first photo option. Make sure that the clicker or the cursor is right underneath the question. Click Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. Find the image. I named it Klein 1. Click on that and open. Most of the time the image is going to be very large. So click on the image and you'll see these blue boxes. Make sure that the arrow indicates that you can make it bigger or smaller. And make it smaller and just the right size so that I can see it. Do the same thing that I just did for the second photo option. All right, as you can see, I added a second picture here for demonstration. So now on to part 2. Scroll down to the bottom. You're going to see the third page that says Journal Prompts. You're going to do the same thing as you did for the photo options, but instead of choosing 2 options, you're going to choose 3. So for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to choose the first 3. So I'm going to delete the last two. All I have to do is click next to the questions and answer them by typing them in. Do that for each question. Finish it, review it, and then submit it to me for a grade. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, email me, do whatever it is you need to do to send me questions, even through Google Classroom. Thank you.